Good evening, friends. I am on the daily chart of Nifty. Here, what is happening in the daily chart is it is undergoing through, the price is moving through a range actually. Moving through range, and it touched the range of the, and this is a channel type of range, and it touched the higher range. Okay. Touch the level of the higher channel and making an high of 18,881. So unbelievingly, it went higher, and it's all of a sudden it started correcting. Throughout the day, it started correcting, and finally made a low of 18,719. I was expecting 18,779 to be an halt and reverse, but that didn't happen. It came deep down to the level of 18,719 and finally closed around 18,755. So what can happen in Nifty? This is actually, you can see what is happening since 3 days. You are seeing wider ranges. Wider ranges, if I take and measure the range of the candle, almost 126 points range. Even yesterday, it was around 151 points. Today's range is almost, it is more than 195 points. No. It is 177 points. So almost equal ranges you can see in the Nifty. Why it is happening is, it is a liquidity ping pong, it is happening. So today when it came down, here if you closely observe, this is acting as a roof, this level. 18,722 is acting as a roof. After that, there was a consolidation candle. Let me zoom it out. This was a consolidation candle, and then failure of this candle, and it closed near the low. Day before yesterday, that is on Friday, what happened? All of a sudden, it opened gap up and started going up. This was on, Thursday, and Friday opened gap up and it went higher. Friday's close. Okay. And today it made an higher of 18,881 and could not sustain that, and it started moving below the previous day close, and also it tried to go below the opening price of the yesterday's opening price, that is 18,723. It made a low of 18,790. So yesterday's opening price was 18,823 and today's low was 18,790. So indicating bearishness, but the wick is suggesting some buying pressure has come over here because of this flip level. The flip level is 18,780, 23 to 740. So what can happen tomorrow? That is the very, very question in all of their minds. And what happened today? Let me go to the intraday picture. This is 15-minute chart. Already I have marked the levels. Yesterday, see, on Friday, it was a deep down correction. The same thing what happened today. It was a exact replica, deep down correction, And then Monday, it was a gap up. Monday, it was a gap up, and the market consolidated around 18,774. And then after 2:30 p.m., the big players took control of the market and they pushed the price higher. And after going to this level, 18,864, it started correcting. It made a swing low. And when it opened, it gapped up to the level of 18,888. And then it started correcting. Even it could not halt, it didn't halt at this level. Actually, I thought it will halt around 18,772. That was the level. And I in my previous video, I told that 18,772 will become the buy zone for the Nifty. It can reverse from there. But I was thinking it will face some sort of resistance over here and it will consolidate and it will come over here. But the play was entirely different. It gapped up and it came to the level and it consolidated for nearly 2 to 3 candles. You can see 1, 2, 3 candles. That is around 15 to 45 minutes of consolidation. If you see carefully, it is around 1.5 hours consolidation took place and then it started falling. That is around 12:30. This consolidation breakdown took place and it came below this level. This is the level where yesterday most of the trades were taken in a range. So here that was a very good level for their big players to get a liquidity sweep. See, when a range is created, the call writers and put writers will be active. So they have eaten the money of the put writers, and it came down up to this level. Can you see here? That is the 18,716, which is the level where it consolidated before falling to this level on Friday. Today, it came down to this level around 18,719, and then it went sideways for nearly 30 minutes, and then all of a sudden there was a push up higher up. In the big player took control of the market, and there was a sudden movement in the Nifty to push it to the level of 18,787. Exactly the same behavior what happened on yesterday. They are closed like this. You can see closed like this. Today it was a gap up from this level. Tomorrow we have to see whether it gaps up or whether it will seek some sort of liquidity beneath this level, that is around 18,689 to 18,699. This will act as a strong support if it comes around this level, 18,699. You people should note down 699 to 689. Probably Nifty can come down to this level and sort of for 1 hour it may undergo through because I cannot anticipate market does what it wants. But the supports and resistance are intact. What I'm telling is suppose, and then if it starts moving above this level, 18,741, and it will gather momentum and it can go past this level. It can make high to the level of 18,823 to 840. If it doesn't, what if if it doesn't sustain this 18,689, then the next level is deeper down. The next level of support is deeper down, where consolidation, good amount of consolidation has taken place, and this area is unmitigated area. So this order block has not been touched, has not been, and that means orders have not been collected from this area. So it is possible for the Nifty to go down to the level of 18,608. So only tomorrow market price action we can anticipate. So the deep down support is around 18,611 to 18,595. So if it halts here, if it starts moving higher, it may be very good move. So I anticipate probably this level will hold and the Nifty will try to move up to this level 18,083, 823. After that, it may face after going to 18,857 or so, it may face resistance and it may come back to seek the deep down liquidity here over here. This is another counter of liquidity where we can anticipate. We cannot make out whether it is going to stop over here or the play will be like this. But you note down the resistance 18,823 and 18,699 and 18,689 should not be violated tomorrow. So if it is not violated, the play will be within a range of 18,823 to 18,699. That is around 129 points. Or otherwise, they can go sideways. They can end up whatever they want to do. They can do that. So, okay, friends, please note down the levels, what I've discussed. And the deep down support is around here, 18,600 to 18,595. Unless Nifty goes below 687, then no need to bother. No need to bother. We have to wait for the price action for tomorrow, how it proceeds. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.